Now, if you find that it's a little bit challenging for you to attract money, to make money, and just to become wealthy and abundant, right? This video is for you. Now, my first question to you is, what normally comes easy to you? I want you to reflect and just tell me what normally comes easy into your life. Is that health, relationships, parking spaces? Just reflect, and I just want you to think and share with me what usually comes easy in your life. Now, whatever that is, it means that your subconscious mind offers that program. So if you find that your relationship is easy going, your health, you don't have any issues, but the only issue you have is money and success. Now, the reason why you're struggling to make money, attract money, manifest money is because your subconscious mind does not offer the program. So you have to understand 95% of who you are is a subconscious program. So 95% of who you are is our beliefs, your behaviors, your reactions, your thoughts, your feelings, your paradigm. So your entire belief system is a program. So if you think about your life yesterday, that was basically you just living on autopilot. Your subconscious mind basically runs your entire life. Your subconscious mind runs your entire life. Now, if you want anything to be easy in your life, you first have to install the appropriate program. Now, in this case, it is money. So all you need to do is just install the program in your mind, i.e., wealth and abundance. So the moment you install wealth and abundance in your subconscious mind, money, opportunities will then come easy to you without you having to struggle, strive, hustle, and try and put in so much effort. Because the moment you install the program in your subconscious mind, money then comes to you easily and effortlessly. So, how do you install the program? By repetition. Repetition, and if you want it to happen even quicker, add an emotion. So, for example, if I had to ask you, how would you feel if you had to be wealthy now? How would you feel if you had more than enough money? And you say, I would be free, excited, and grateful. And then this is what you do. I'm going to tell you exactly. So all you do is just repeat this affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. You see, when I say that, when I say the words happy and grateful, I actually feel happy and grateful. And then, furthermore, I'm stating to my subconscious mind that money is now coming to me easily and effortlessly. But you have to do this every single day until you see that, oh, money is now starting to come to you easily and effortlessly. So you don't just do it once, but you do it every single day, preferably in the morning, 5 to 10 minutes, in the evening, 5 to 10 minutes. So what this will do is it's going to start to reprogram your subconscious mind for wealth and abundance. And you're now going to activate neuroplasticity, which is just your brain's ability to rewire itself. And you also reprogram your reticular activation system, which is just your brain's filter. So what that means is when you focus on any idea or goal, your brain then hones in and it filters in only that. So if you focus on, I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly, your brain is now going to filter out lack, and it's only going to focus on money coming to you easily and effortlessly. But as I said, You have to remain faithful. You have to remain consistent. You can't just do it once and then expect results to come. Yes, sometimes, of course, you will see results coming instantly. But you have to understand, if you're struggling with money, if you're struggling to manifest money, if you're struggling to attract money, it means that you don't have the program. And in order for you to install that program, it requires consistency and discipline. But get this, listen to this. Are you ready? The moment the program is installed, game over. Money will come to you easily and effortlessly. Opportunities will come to you easily and effortlessly. I mean, like, I am a direct testament. I wake up to unexpected income, expected income. Opportunities now follow me. It's a beautiful thing. So that's why I am sharing it with you. This is literally the secret to become wealthy and abundant. You just have to remain faithful to this new mindset. You just have to stick to this new mindset and do not contradict yourself. The moment you tell yourself that money comes to you easily and effortlessly, you just have to remind yourself that that is your new norm. Just remind yourself that this is my new norm. Isn't it wonderful? Isn't it wonderful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly? I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I want you to say it with me. Come. 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. So, quick summary, recap. So you're going to do this 5 to 10 minutes in the morning, 5 to 10 minutes in the evening by simply repeating this one affirmation. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I want you to comment below. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Why do you comment? Because you are making a declaration to yourself that this is now your new norm. Your new norm is that money now comes to you easily and effortlessly. No more struggling, no more striving, no more lack, none of that. Only money is now coming to you easily and effortlessly. And let me be the first to congratulate you, because this is your new norm. This is who you are. Why? Because money is already within you. You're not separate from money. You have to understand money is simply energy. The same energy that is in me, in you, is in money. So money is already within you. You are money's energy and money is yours. What is money's energy? Safety, security, freedom, excitement, joy, value, generosity. You are money's energy. Now just allow money to spoil you, to bless you, to prosper you, to commend you, and to follow you like a puppy dog. Allow money to multiply for you. Allow money to do the abundance. You want to do the abundance with money. Now you have to understand, money is just like your partner, your child, your pet, right? So just imagine that money is your partner or your child or your pet, and now just dance with money, and we call that the abundance. That's right, the abundance. You know what I mean? The abundance. You have to have fun with money and tell money that, money, you are my honey. You always stick to me like super glue. You always follow me wherever I go. I love you, money, and you love me too. That's right.